Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves that just applied perfect lip look that lasts all day, this one's for you. Today, we're diving into Dior's Christian Rouge Forever Liquid Matte Lipstick in 100 Forever Nude Look. It promises radiant, long-lasting color that actually improves the quality of your lips. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's see if it really delivers. So first up, what is this product all about? Dior Christian Rouge Forever Liquid Matte is a lipstick with a long-wear formula designed to offer intense, rich color while improving lip texture over time. The key features include a weightless texture, a matte finish, and a claim to leave lips feeling supple and soft. This is a 0.2 aughts liquid matte lipstick, and the shade we're focusing on, Forever Nude Look, is perfect for those who want an everyday nude with a little extra oomph. When I first applied this lipstick, I immediately noticed the smooth texture. It feels almost like a second skin on your lips, with no stickiness or dryness, which is often a concern with matte lip products. I didn't need to layer it for opacity, which is great because who has time for reapplication every hour? The color is a beautiful neutral nude with a slightly pink undertone, making it versatile enough for day or night wear. I wore it for a few hours through my morning coffee, and it didn't budge. No feathering or fading, and my lips still felt soft to the touch, which is a major win for a matte finish. On the positive side, the formula is definitely lightweight, and the color payoff is intense yet natural, which I love. It's a perfect balance between bold and subtle, and I can see this becoming a go-to in a lot of beauty routines, especially for anyone who prefers their lip color to stay put for hours. Also, the packaging is sleek and elegant, which is what you'd expect from a luxury brand like Dior. But as much as I love the formula, there is a slight downside. While it claims to improve the suppleness of your lips, I didn't notice a huge difference in hydration over time. It does feel nice and light, but it's not as moisturizing as some other lipsticks I've tried that claim similar benefits. If you have naturally dry lips or are expecting a truly hydrating matte formula, you might want to layer it with a lip balm before applying. Now let's talk about value for money. Dior products tend to be on the higher end of the price scale, and this liquid lipstick is no exception. At $40 for 0.2 aughts, it's definitely an investment. Is it worth it? Well, if you're a fan of high-end luxury makeup, enjoy the convenience of long-lasting lipstick, and appreciate the fine craftsmanship of Dior, then yes, this is a solid choice. However, if you're more budget conscious, you might find similar matte lipsticks at a lower price point that deliver comparable results. When comparing it to other high-end liquid lipsticks, Dior definitely holds its ground. It's on par with brands like YSL and Chanel, both of which also offer long-wear matte lipsticks. However, some of those brands offer more hydration, so if you're looking for something more moisturizing, you might want to consider those alternatives. Now, as far as build quality and longevity go, Dior's Christian Rouge Forever Liquid Matte Lipstick has solid packaging that feels durable and luxurious. It's not the type of product that will break easily, and the applicator is precision designed to ensure easy and even application. On top of that, the formula truly lasts. No touch-ups needed for several hours, even with eating and drinking. I didn't have to interact with customer service for this product, but Dior has an excellent reputation for being responsive and helpful when needed. They stand behind their products, which gives you peace of mind if you're investing in luxury makeup. Looking for something similar, but at a lower price point? Brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal offer long-lasting liquid matte lipsticks that won't break the bank. While the finish may not be as luxurious as Dior's, you're still getting great wear time and pigmentation. To sum it up, Dior Christian Rouge Forever Liquid Matte Lipstick in 100 Forever Nude Look offers a beautiful, long-lasting, matte finish that holds up through hours of wear. The texture is weightless, and the color payoff is impressive. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants a reliable, high-end matte lipstick with a natural nude tone. If you're looking for an ultra-hydrating formula or a more affordable option, though, there are other choices out there. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic, The link to purchase this product can be found in the description box below. If you've used this lipstick before, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience with it. Thanks again, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.